Africa Content TV.
And we are here because the former leadership of the union had failed woefully to conduct a credible delegate conference in all the zones of the federation. And that is why we are here today. And this is happening here as it is happening here in the southwest zone, Osogbo. It's simultaneously happening in all the zonal councils of the union all over the six geopolitical zone of this federation of Nigeria. Up national progress. While welcoming you again on behalf of the caretaker chairman, the zonal deputy chairman who is in your acting capacity today as the zonal chairman, we welcome you again and again and again. You are welcome. And the business we want to start in earnest. The next on our agenda is the speech, the welcome speech or the address of the national caretaker chairman, who is the acting president of the union here, Alhaji Tajudeen Badru.
So ìgbà yẹn la máa rò bóyá ló kọ́ máa kọ̀ títí lórí àpèrè yẹn o bóyá ẹ máa tún fẹ́ lórí sí ni o ṣùgbọ́n kó tó dìgbà yẹn tí a tún bá ṣe ìlẹ́sẹ̀ kẹ́nìkan wọ ẹgbẹ́ bí àbá pé Alhaji Musiliu Akínsànyà MC Olúọmọ kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ wa títí di àkókò náà ẹni tó ń kó lọ́mọdé.
Up national progress, everything. What is that to negotiate? Any delegate from Ikiba? Delegate from Ikiba.
Delegate from Ikiba. Delegate from
Comrade, leaders of the pressure of the state, support the motion.
I, Comrade IBAKATV-YORUBAPLAY, Lagos State Council, next constate, I second the motion. Thank you.
And our profession. We are different people in the society and we play a very crucial role in the overall economy of this nation. We transport people goods from one location to the other, from the farm to the market. And then we have seen a lot of improvement in our mode of operation. When somebody now came and decided to drop the hand of the block back, that was why we stood up to say no, we will not allow something going to the trade under 3 years from the administration. So please, we want to, I want to personally appeal to all of you that you will see this union as your own base. This is our base. We will not have any other base than this one. And for those of us that we are using from the place, we can send their children to America, Canada, and from
the Comrades, you are welcome. This is the headquarters of the National Union of Road Transport Workers. Zone 2, sited here in Osogbo. Up national. On behalf of the National Caretaker Chairman, who is the acting capacity of the President of the Union in Nigeria, We welcome you all once again. We want to say a big thank you for coming. This event we are witnessing today is once in 4 years. Are you with me here? Oh, yes. Once in what? In 4 years. The one we are having for the 2023 election is holding here today.